Understanding the phrase, snuffed out, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard but may not fully understand. Snuffed out. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversation. First, let's break down the literal meaning. Snuffed out originally comes from the action of extinguishing a candle. When you snuff out a candle, you either pinch the flame or cover it so that it lacks oxygen and thus goes out. This action is quick and usually leaves nothing but a wisp of smoke. However, in everyday language, snuffed out is often used metaphorically. When used figuratively, it means to abruptly end something. This can apply to life, as in, his life was snuffed out too soon, indicating a sudden or unexpected end. It can also apply to ideas, projects, or even emotions. For example, her enthusiasm was snuffed out by the negative feedback. Let's see how this phrase is used in different sentences. 1. Historical context. The rebellion was snuffed out by the overwhelming forces of the king. 2. In literature and film, the character's brief moment of happiness was quickly snuffed out by tragedy. 3. Everyday conversation. I had plans for the weekend, but they got snuffed out by a sudden workload. Understanding synonyms can broaden your usage of the language. Similar phrases to snuffed out include extinguished, quashed, squelched, stifled. Each of these carries a slightly different nuance but can be used in similar contexts. And that's a wrap on the phrase, snuffed out. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, language is a living thing, and understanding idioms like this one helps you get closer to fluency. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.